Stop buying expensive closet systems. This $4 hack is about to double your storage space in the next 15 minutes. No new shelves, no mechanic, no professional organizer. Just one closet, a few cheap items, and a method almost nobody uses correctly. Watch the full video, because the tips that make this actually work come later. And if you skip them, you will waste your closet space all over again. Quick safety note before we start. We are working with basic tools like a tension rod and some hooks. Nothing dangerous, but always check weight limits before you load anything up. If you want more no-cost home upgrades like this one, hit subscribe right now, because we drop a new hack every single week. Let's get into it. Right now, your closet is wasting more than half of its usable space, and I am going to prove that to you in the next 2 minutes. Here is exactly what you need, and I promise you, the total cost is under $8, most of the time closer to $4. First, you need one adjustable tension rod, the kind used for shower curtains, and you can grab one for around $3 at almost any dollar store or home goods aisle. Second, you need a pack of soda can tabs. Yes, the little metal tabs from soft drink cans. And if you do not already have some at home, a bag of curtain rings works the same way for about $2. Third, you need a handful of small S-hooks or command hooks, and a dollar store pack covers this completely. That's it. 3 items, 1 closet, and a total spend of $4 to $8, depending on what you already have lying around the house. Now let's talk tools, and I promise this stays simple. You just need your hands, maybe a step stool if your closet rod is high, and about 15 minutes of free time. No drilling required for the main hack, although I will show you one optional upgrade near the end if you want a slightly more permanent setup. All right, let's transform this closet, step by step. Step 1. Clear out your existing closet rod completely. Take every single item off and lay your clothes on the bed so you can see exactly what you are working with. This matters because you cannot double your space if you cannot see how much space you actually have. Step 2. Take a good look at the empty vertical space above your existing rod. And here is the truth almost nobody tells you. Most closets only use the middle third of their actual height. There is wasted airspace above your clothes and wasted airspace below them, and we are about to claim both. Step 3. Install your tension rod horizontally. About 10 to 12 inches below your existing closet rod, twist it until it locks tightly against both side walls. Pause here and press firmly on both ends to make sure it will not slip when weight is added. This is the single most important step in the entire hack, so do not rush it. Step 4. This lower tension rod is now your second hanging level, perfect for shorter items like folded pants, skirts, scarves, or children's clothing that does not need full closet height. Step 5. Now we move to the real secret weapon, the soda can tab trick, and this is what actually doubles your hanging capacity on your original rod. Take a hanger, hook the tab through the hanger hook like a small loop, then hang a second hanger through the bottom of that same tab. What you just did is stack 2 hangers into the vertical space that one hanger used to take up. Step 6. Repeat this tab trick across your entire top rod, and pause every few hangers to make sure your rod can support the added weight. Most closet rods handle this easily, but check for any sagging. Step 7. Now use your S-hooks or command hooks along the side walls of the closet. This reclaims dead space that almost nobody uses, perfect for hanging bags, belts, or scarves that used to just sit in a pile on the floor. Step 8. Take a moment here and reorganize by category. Shirts on top using the tab trick, pants and folded items on the lower tension rod, accessories on the side hooks. This is not just about fitting more in, it is about fitting more in a way you can actually find later. Step 9. If you want a slightly sturdier upgrade, and this step is optional, you can add 2 small screw hooks into the side walls instead of using adhesive command hooks. This adds almost no cost and creates a slightly more permanent second level. Step 10. Stand back, close the closet door, then open it again, and get ready. Because what you are about to see is the entire point of this hack. Let's talk about what just happened, because the transformation here is dramatic. Before this hack, that closet had one single rod, clothes crammed shoulder to shoulder, and a pile of shoes and bags just sitting on the floor because there was nowhere else to put them. After this hack, you have 2 full hanging levels instead of 1, extra vertical wall storage on the sides, and almost double the number of items that closet can now hold. Look at this before and after side by side. Same closet, same square footage, same 4 walls. But now it is functioning like a completely different space. People spend hundreds of dollars on custom closet systems to get this exact result. And we just did it for under $8 using a tension rod and some soda can tabs. This is not a trick of the camera. This is simple, repeatable, and it works in almost every standard closet in almost every home. Now let's break down why this actually works, because understanding the logic means you can apply it anywhere in your house, not just this one closet. Closets are almost always designed with one single rod placed at a height meant for the longest possible garment, like a full-length dress or coat. But most of what we actually own does not need that much vertical drop. Folded pants, t-shirts, and short jackets use only half of that available height. That leftover space below your existing rod is simply wasted, and the tension rod claims it back without a single tool or drill. The soda can tab trick works on a similar principle. It uses the small gap inside a hanger hook to stack a second hanger directly below the first one, doubling how many garments occupy the same width of rod. And the side wall hooks use the one type of space every closet has in abundance and nobody thinks to use: vertical wall area that sits completely empty. Put those 3 ideas together, and you are not adding new furniture, you are simply using 100% of the space that was already there. Now, a few important safety notes before you try this at home. Always check the weight rating on your tension rod, and never load it beyond what the packaging recommends, because an overloaded rod can slip or drop suddenly. When using the soda can tab trick, avoid overloading a single hanger pair with extremely heavy items like winter coats. This trick works best for lighter garments like shirts, blouses, and light pants. If you choose the optional screw hook upgrade, always check for hidden wiring or pipes before drilling into any wall. And if you are ever unsure, stick with the no-drill adhesive hook version instead. If you are standing on a step stool to reach the top of your closet, always make sure it is on flat, stable ground before climbing. Beyond safety, here are a few organizing tips that make this hack even more effective long-term. Group your clothing by category on each level. This alone makes mornings faster and keeps the doubled space from turning back into clutter. Do a seasonal swap every few months, moving out of season clothing to the lower tension rod level, and keeping your current rotation on the primary top rod. Check your tension rod grip every couple of months, especially in humid environments, because temperature and moisture can occasionally loosen the tension over time. Now, let's zoom out for a second, because this problem is bigger than just your closet. The average home closet is only using a fraction of its real capacity, and most people respond to that by buying more storage bins, more furniture, or paying for expensive closet installation systems. But the real issue was never a lack of space. It was a lack of layers. One single rod trying to do the job of 2 or 3. This simple $4 fix solves that root problem directly, instead of covering it up with more stuff crammed into the same inefficient layout. That is why this hack works in small apartments, kids' rooms, hallway closets, and even linen closets, because the underlying wasted space is the same everywhere. So here is your quick recap before we wrap up. 1. Install a tension rod below your existing rod to claim wasted lower space. 2. Use the soda can tab trick to stack hangers and double your top rod capacity. 3. Add side wall hooks to use empty vertical wall space for accessories. Total cost, under $8, total time, about 15 minutes, and the result is a closet that functions like it just got a full renovation. If this hack helped you reclaim your closet, smash that like button right now. It genuinely helps this video reach more people who are dealing with the exact same cramped closet problem. Drop a comment and let me know which closet in your house you are trying this in first. I read every single one. And if you want more low-cost home hacks like this one, hit subscribe and tap that notification bell, because next week's video might just save you even more space and even more money. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.